Oh damn, look what we just got access to. First dibs on the new Adobe Firefly. This thing is supposed to create some incredible video, incredible images. So let's just jump right into video because this is the most important thing. So let's go text to video. This is the new beta that just launched. Generate video. Transform ideas into video clips from a detailed description or image powered by the Adobe Firefly visual model. So get started. So let's see what we got here. Exactly what I was thinking. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it. So we're gonna go widescreen, shot size, extreme close-up. Actually, you know what? Let's try this extreme close-up. Okay, and then let's go advanced. Describe what you would like to see. I want to do a zoom in into a human eyeball. And once it goes inside, I want it to enter this vivid, colorful world of abundance, rolling fields with galaxies and anything you could imagine to make it super gorgeous and colorful. We might as well try. Let's see. So we got a human eyeball zooming in, and then we enter this vivid, colorful world of abundance. So the whole thing with this, obviously, we don't know what's going to happen, so we might as well just aim for the sky and see what ends up happening. So if you guys haven't seen my channel, my name is Marcin AI, and I am a no-code AI developer. I have an amazing community of builders called the No Code AI Army. You guys are free to check that out. It's a free for life membership, and you guys get access to myself and our whole team. And the whole goal with the community is building amazing AI products, whether it's SaaS businesses, applications, websites, everything in between. You guys are able to do that with our community. So very, very exciting times. All right, let's see here. And you can find all that below. Generating video. Keep this browser open. Your video is loading. Look how cute this little guy is right here. So actually what I want to do is I want to actually Adobe Firefly. While that's loading, we can actually be checking out other stuff. That's what we should be doing. So let's go to videos. Okay. Oh yeah, that's already where's the gallery though? Oh, here we go, gallery. That's what I wanted to see. Okay. Wow, these images are pretty stunning. Oh wait, this is all video. Oh crap, I thought these were images. Oh, I like it. It's on TikTok. Let's see.
Look at this.
Wow.
Perfect. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Isn't it great?
That's crazy. Okay, okay. Let's go back to the top here. Is ours done? No submissions yet. We got lost here. Sorry, guys. Oh, here we go. Wow, that looks amazing. Wow, look at that. Woo! That is pretty sick. I just created that with Adobe Firefly. Yeah, okay. Obviously very, very subtle, but look at the detail. This is beautiful. Okay, all right, so let's do a different one. So let's go. I want a robot in the future running through New York City being chased by humans. The camera is moving backwards and the robot is running towards the camera. Make it feel super fast and frantic. You can even add a camera shake. What do you guys think, right? Gotta challenge it, gotta challenge it. Okay, let's go back to watching the other videos. So let's go back to Firefly. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Adobe. I've been using, obviously, the product for 20 years. I was a filmmaker for the longest, and Adobe was the only way, you know, to actually see stuff. Wow, look at that image. Half in light, half in shadow, a face emerges. Gorgeous. That is truly beautiful. Wow. Okay, let's look at some more videos though. I definitely want to see more videos. Here's another video. I love that all these are on TikTok, so that's really good. Okay, let's watch this one. Wow. Damn. Okay, let's keep going. I love all these little characters. Oh yeah, this is definitely more my style right here. A little more abstract. Oh my god, that's totally like the idea I just had. Except with the door. Yeah. That's so great. What's nice though is that you can actually do longer videos. Ooh, let's take a look at this one here. Ooh, at 360. Our product, and let's see if it created. Here we go. Robot running in the future. Let's see. That's pretty dope. That's very cinematic. Yeah, that totally has like an Inception vibe. Look at all the people kind of coming and disappearing. Yeah, that's pretty dope. Okay. There you have it, guys. What an amazing tool. I can't wait to spend a lot more time in this, but I just wanted to pop in really quick for you guys today and show you Adobe Firefly has just launched their video tool to the public. You guys could just go in and sign in if you just have an Adobe account. I don't think you need to be paying for any kind of subscriptions, just their free account. And you guys can then go in and create all kinds of incredible 3D videos. Look at that. And if you guys enjoyed that video, my name is Marcin AI, no code dev. Give a follow. See you guys in the next video.